If you want to tap into the financial engine of Europe, you have to look at Germany's industrial sector. It is the powerhouse that dictates the momentum for the broader European markets. The clearest reflection of that corporate health is the DAX 40. This index tracks the 40 largest and most liquid blue-chip companies listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, anchored heavily by global automotive giants like Volkswagen. Because the DAX is market cap weighted, the largest companies wield the most influence. A massive move in a heavy manufacturing entity like Siemens or a major financial firm can physically pull the entire index along with it. Trading this index often involves CFDs, or contracts for difference. A CFD is a financial derivative where you don't actually buy shares of these individual companies. Instead, you speculate on the index's overall price movement, allowing you to use leverage to control a large position with a smaller amount of upfront capital. That leverage makes the export-driven volatility of the DAX highly attractive, but it also creates a double-edged sword. While it amplifies your potential profits, it mathematically magnifies your losses just as aggressively. You cannot rely on gut feelings to survive those swings. Navigating this instrument requires stripping away emotion and building a rigid, multi-layered mathematical trading system. To build that system, we start with the raw price action of the DAX 40. This chart serves as our baseline. But charts don't move themselves. They are aggressively pushed by fundamental catalysts, specifically forward-looking German data. Surveys like the IFO Business Climate and ZEW Economic Sentiment act as early indicators of corporate health, causing sharp, sudden market rallies or steep sell-offs depending on the results. Above those national surveys sits the European Central Bank. The ECB controls monetary policy for the Eurozone, and their decisions on interest rates, or even subtle hints during press conferences, can instantly reverse a prevailing market trend. These economic catalysts hit the market at highly predictable times. This timeline below the chart maps out daily volatility hotspots, 0800, 0900, and 1530 CET. The 0800 Frankfurt Open is explosive, ideal for breakout tactics. Then the 0900 London overlap brings peak liquidity, establishing clear trends for pullback entries. You have to know what time it is before you place a trade. Timing the market correctly means aligning your strategy with the exact hours when massive institutional volume floods the system. The next layer of our system looks outside of Germany. The DAX 40 does not operate in a vacuum. It is constantly pulled by external global forces. Analyzing how different major asset classes interact with each other is called intermarket analysis. This split-screen chart illustrates one of the most critical relationships to monitor: the inverse correlation between the DAX 40 and the Euro-USD Forex pair. Notice how the blue line rises while the green line falls. The logic behind this is tied directly to international trade. A stronger euro makes German industrial goods more expensive for foreign buyers to purchase. This creates a direct financial headwind for multinational exporters. This relationship provides crucial divergence warnings. If you see the DAX struggling to break through a resistance ceiling, while the euro violently spikes to new highs, holding a long position becomes inherently dangerous. Beyond the currency markets, European sentiment is anchored by two major U.S. indicators: the S&P 500, which acts as the world's primary benchmark for risk, and the VIX, a real-time gauge of market volatility and fear. Upwardly rising VIX signals that overarching fear is gripping investors. When panic sets in, it typically forces risk assets like global equities, including the DAX, into a sharp, synchronized decline. A true mathematical edge is built entirely on confluence. You only execute a trade when the DAX, the euro, and global risk metrics all confirm the exact same directional bias. But even with perfect confluence, the famous volatility of the German market will eventually turn against you. This is where we transition from offensive strategy to the final defensive layer of the system: risk management. The foundational rule of trading with leverage is capital preservation. A disciplined trader must never risk more than 1 to 2% of their total account equity on any single setup. To guarantee that percentage stays fixed, we use the average true range. Divide your fixed account risk, say $100, by your stop-loss distance. If your stop is 300 points away, your position is 33 cents per point. Your financial risk remains mathematically constant. You also have to defend against the specific structural risks of holding CFDs. Keeping positions overnight incurs swap fees that slowly drain your profits, and holding over a weekend exposes you to price gaps, where the market opens completely outside your stop-loss order, skipping your protection entirely. In the event of a severe market collapse, leverage can theoretically erase more money than you actually deposited. That is why it is absolutely necessary to utilize a broker that guarantees negative balance protection, ensuring your losses can never exceed your account balance. Consistent profitability on the DAX 40 is not achieved by predicting the future or relying on instinct. It is achieved by meticulously executing a layered mathematical playbook that respects the power of the market and protects your capital at all costs.